Hello, this is Victor from Automotive Crewe, today showing you around this Hyundai TUCSON 1.7 CRDi Blue Drive SE, finished in refined beige and powered by 1.7-liter diesel engine delivering 116 PS paired with manual transmission. This TUCSON offers excellent everyday usability and comfort for the season ahead. Up front, LED daytime running lights and projection headlights with static cornering provide great visibility, and the 17-inch alloy wheels strike perfect balance between road presence and ride comfort, absorbing bumps while adding a bit of flair to the TUCSON's functional styling. Around the back you'll find LED rear lights, a subtle integrated spoiler with LED brake light, and practical touches like rear parking sensors. The boot offers ample room for shopping, pushchairs or weekend gear, with extra flexibility thanks to 60/40 split folding rear seats and retractable load cover. In the back, the seats recline for added comfort on longer journeys, and ISOFIX anchor points keep little ones safe and secure. Up front, you will enjoy supportive driving position with electric lumbar support and heated front seats. The soft touch dashboard, chrome effect door handles, and leather trimmed wheel and gear knob all contribute to cabin that feels both functional and refined. The leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel gives you fingertip control over media, coast and cruise control. Clear trip computer behind it and intuitive controls ensure everything stays within easy reach. The vehicle is equipped with dual-zone climate control with Ioniser, which keeps both front occupants happy no matter their preferred temperature setting. And the Infotainment system offers radio and media thanks to stereo RDS DAB Digital Radio with MP3 compatibility and 6 speakers which deliver excellent in-car audio. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to keep connected with hands-free calling and audio streaming. This has been a presentation of the Hyundai TUCSON 1.7 CRDi Blue Drive SE. For more information or to arrange a test drive, visit us online or give us a call today.